Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, Epic Games just got a new link, and this is about getting the free neon rings Backbling. So you've probably seen many videos on like you have to do challenges and like different things. They said like you should attend the test event, and I tried that. It didn't work. But as you can see, Fortnite, as you can see, it says Epic Games here, has actually released this, and it says the premiere live at main stage, and it tells you the times. So as you can see, it's on 9 p.m. ED, and it's from 9 to 10. But then there's like a second one on May 9th from 2 to 3 p.m. ED. And just to like get you guys know, look, so if you guys log in from Friday at 6 p.m. to Monday 11 p.m. ED, it's actually music reactive. So as you can see, it's gonna be a really dope event. I'll probably try and record it, and like you can see, there's gonna be like a sitting emote. Like it was there, I'm pretty sure it was also there in the test event, and it's like almost as good as the Travis Scott event, but I think it won't be that dope. But you can see this Backbling. I'm gonna throw in some clips of gameplay with this. So look guys, as you can see, it's so cool and it's reactive. You can see that like the colors are changing and stuff, and like you can see like a little bit of the background, and like it's kind of like a leak. Guys, so look, as you can see, here's some more gameplay, and as you can see, it's like super dope. Make sure to check out this event, guys. It's something you wouldn't want to miss. It looks so cool. So yeah guys, that's it.